the shoes on the other foot.
What do you need? What do you need? What do you need? We'll make it easy.
She come in contact with sugar.
No, you don't. Look at little Day. She's being a good girl.
I can see
Peony.
that about the side effects.
But then there's peaches all up in my lap.
What she did.
But I gotta work. I gotta finish the day. 10 more minutes, please. 10 more minutes, please. Can Mommy have 10 more minutes?
I had to learn to be, but, yeah, I don't think I can forget that.
She's so in love with you, Mike.
It doesn't matter. It's not enough.
What do you want, Napoleon?
Oh, there's Prada.
What do you want most?
I just want my son back.
Typical, you guys. This is typical. Yeah. This is usually what the day looks like when I'm not doing video meetings.
I can arrange that.
Mm-hmm.